Hello guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to RoboThoughts Zero to Hero series of Python coding on Jetson Nano. Alright guys, we are on lesson number 43 and we are going to see what a Boolean values and variables are. Alright, so basically guys, the bool function, that is bool, and a open bracket and a close bracket, that becomes your bool function in Python. Okay, the bool function basically allows you to evaluate any value and give you a true or a false as an output. Okay, let me show you how it works. Let me log into my Jetson Nano. I am already logged into my Jetson Nano and this is my terminal. Let's create a new Python file in Nano IDE. Nano, let's say bool value, bool val as a short .py. Okay, I am into my IDE. Now let me show you some very simple examples. Say print, and then let's use that method called bool, bool. And what do you want to do? Bool, and then I am going to say hello. Okay, and then I am going to close this bracket and then again close the full bracket. Remember guys, whenever you are using a method or a type, you got to use this syntax. It's very important. Now let's see, print bool. Okay, now print what? I am going to print, say hello 15 and then close the bracket again. Let's see what's going to happen in this bool value. Let me save this. Control O, enter, Control X, and I am into my terminal. Let's run this program. Python 3 bool val .py. True and true. Can you see that? Can you see that? It's as simple as that guys. Let me show you another example so that you are clear. Let's say let's get into that file, nano bool val .py. Let me delete this. Okay, let me say x equal to, in a double quote, hello, and y equals to say 15. Now let's say print. I am going to print the boolean value bool, and I am going to ask whether it's a true or false, whether x is true. Okay, bool x, and then print bool y, the boolean y. Let's see guys, I hope this works. I think it should work. Let's see. Control O to save and then enter, then Control X to exit. I am on the terminal. Let's execute our Python file for the boolean values. Python 3 bool val .py. True and true. There you go. Boom. So it's as simple as that guys. So I hope you understand how this boolean method works in Python. It's very simple. All you need is to just practice guys what I showed you and the way what I explained. Just keep that in your mind and practice the syntaxes and the keywords. It's very important. Keyword should be in your mind. Alright guys, thanks for watching and I will see you soon, very soon again. Bye bye.